In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close all trades in MT4. By the end, you'll know the fastest built-in way to shut down every open position safely and confidently, without extra tools or add-ons. First, open the terminal panel, which is where MT4 lets you manage all your trades. Press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. You'll see a panel appear at the bottom of the platform. This panel has several tabs, and it's the hub for monitoring balance, equity, history, alerts, and, most importantly for this task, your active trades. Next, click the Trade tab inside that terminal panel. This tab lists every open position along with key details like symbol, type, volume, price, and current profit or loss. If you can't see your trades, make sure the Trade tab is selected and that the panel isn't minimized. You can also resize the panel so more columns are visible. Now, to close all trades, you'll go through them one by one. The quickest method is to use the small X on the far right of each trade line. Find a trade in the list, move to the far right column, and click the X. MT4 will close that position at the current market price. If a confirmation dialog appears, simply confirm the close. This is normal, and it's there to prevent accidental clicks. If you prefer a more deliberate approach, or if the X isn't visible, right-click directly on the trade you want to close. From the context menu, choose Close Order. A small order window will open. Click the Close button in that window to finalize the action. This does exactly the same thing. It closes the position at the current market price. If your terminal window is narrow, you may need to scroll horizontally or widen it to see all columns, including the X. Keep working down the list, closing each trade until none remain. Market prices move constantly, so it's normal for the final close price to differ slightly from what you see just before clicking. That small difference is slippage, and it's part of trading in real time. When you've closed everything, the Trade tab will be empty. The floating profit or loss at the bottom of the panel should show 0, and you'll only see your account balance and equity. Take a moment to confirm that there are no remaining positions in the list. That's all there is to it. Open the terminal with Ctrl+T, go to the Trade tab, and close each position using either the X on the far right or by right-clicking the trade, choosing Close Order, and clicking Close.